So hello kids, good evening. Today we learn how to write R. So which symbol we taking to write R? So first symbol we taking standing line and curve and sliding line. Okay. So let's start this video. So standing line, all of you know how to write standing line. Okay. So all of you know how to write curve and all of you know how to write sliding line. Okay. So we will practice it. Okay. So first we write standing line. So you know how to write standing line. Okay. So this is the standing line. Okay. So standing line is done. So now we practice curve. So this is the curve. All of you know this is the curve. Okay. Okay. So curve also done. Now we practice sliding line. So this is the sliding line. Yesterday we study how to write sliding line also. है ना? So this is the sliding line. Okay. So this is the symbol we practice. Now we write the R, join this symbol and make a R. Okay. So first, which symbol we taking first to write the R? So first we taking a standing line. Which line? Standing line. Then we taking a curve. So this is the curve to write this. And then last we taking sliding line to make a R. Okay. So this is the done. One more time we practice. Okay. So standing line, make a curve and sliding line. Okay. So this is the done. So I hope you like it and you practice it how to write R which I am teaching to you. So please make a practice at home. So like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay? So now take care and bye bye.